Fire sprinkler standards, such as the NFPA, FM, and TB80, require that sprinklers are replaced over time, or that a sample of the sprinklers is tested instead. In case of a test, sprinklers are taken out and sent to a laboratory for testing. The fact that a sprinkler works, however, does not necessarily mean that it also delivers enough water. For instance, there may be obstructions in the piping. Unica has developed a new, innovative method to test the functionality of fire sprinklers on site, the Sprinkler Integrity Test. For this method, we use a mobile test device that is placed over the fire sprinkler. With special software and a professional heater, the temperature inside the box will be slowly increased until the sprinkler is activated. During the test, we will check whether the sprinkler activates within the required temperature range, and also if sufficient water comes out. This way, we can tell if the piping is clear of any obstructions. The biggest advantage of this test method is that the sprinkler system is tested as a whole and in its original environment. Therefore, this method gives the most realistic impression of the performance of the sprinkler system in the event of a fire. The Sprinkler Integrity Test can also be combined with the mandatory periodic pipe inspection. This combination provides good insight into the current state of your fire sprinkler system.